Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 32. For taking refuge in me, O Parth, they also may be of sinful birth, women, Vaishyas, as well as Shudras, attain the supreme goal.
Chapter 9, Shloka 32. Mam hi parthavyapashritya yepi syuh papayonayah striyo vaishyastata shudraha tepi yanti parangatim.
Chapter 9, Shloka 32. To remove confusions due to misinterpretations or misunderstanding and to benefit all, it is further explained. By constant remembrance of the Self, the eternal truth, not only those who are placed under wrong circumstances redeemed, but also those who are victims of congenital maladjustments get their equipment readjusted and tuned. Sin, according to Vedanta, is a wrong tendency of the mind due to past unhealthy thoughts and negative living. These wrong tendencies express in the mind as attachments or feminine nature of mind or the commercial attitude of the intellect or the general dullness and inertness in one's inner life and are the basis of the caste system. Religion is not for developing the physical body, nor the teaching aimed at the physical body or concerning the gender of the body. The spiritual practices aim to integrate the mind and intellect and unfold the special qualities Striya, Vaishya and Shudra manifested in varying degrees in different individuals to ultimately discover the self. The feminine minds, Striya, are those that have a share of deep affections and binding attachments. The commercial attitude in people are those who in thought and actions live in their mental life as traders, Vaishyas, ever calculating the profit that will accrue from their mental investments. They are not fit for evolving through meditation. So when the traders are condemned, it is the commercial tendency in the mind which is faulted, as they cannot progress in the path divine. Lastly, mental attitudes of slumber and slothfulness are indicated by the term Shudra. When these wrong tendencies are in the mind, it is useless for that mind to undertake the study of the Vedas. With the constant remembrance of self, the mind gets purified, freed of its wrong tendencies to finally reach the destination. Therefore, Lord promises that even they will attain the supreme goal. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.